Time to unwind. Understanding relaxation in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to decode a very common English phrase, time to unwind. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Time to unwind is a phrase that you might hear at the end of a long and busy day. To unwind means to relax and let go of stress. When someone says it's time to unwind, they are suggesting that it's time to kick back, relax, and take it easy. Imagine a tightly wound spring releasing its tension. That's what you are doing to your body and mind when you unwind. The word unwind comes from the act of reversing the winding process of something, like a clock or a ball of yarn. In the context of personal relaxation, it metaphorically refers to the act of reversing the winding up of stress and tension in our minds and bodies. Over time to unwind has become a popular way to express the need to chill and find some peace after being wound up from the day's activities. Using time to unwind in conversations is pretty straightforward. Here are some examples. After a long day at work, you might say to your coworker, "Well, it's finally time to unwind. Shall we grab a coffee?" If you notice a friend looking stressed, you might suggest, "You look like you've had a tough day. It's time to unwind, don't you think?" Everyone has their unique way of unwinding. Some common activities include reading a book, a great way to escape reality and dive into a different world. Taking a walk, fresh air and a change of scenery can do wonders. Listening to music or meditating. Both are excellent ways to soothe the mind. Remember, it's not just about working hard but also about taking the time to unwind. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll incorporate this phrase and the practice of unwinding into your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, take care and give yourself the time to unwind.